Welcome to Inspire Ignite, where we bring you the latest insights and tips to enhance your digital experience. Today, we're unveiling an intriguing secret that's bound to redefine your interaction with AI. The key to unlocking ChatGPT Plus for free in 2024. Imagine harnessing the power of one of the most advanced AI tools without spending a dime. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. OpenAI's commitment to accessibility and innovation makes this possible. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast, a student looking to explore AI, or an entrepreneur wanting to streamline operations, this revelation is for you. So, buckle up as we take you on a journey to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT Plus, and that too, without breaking the bank. Let's dive right in because we're about to revolutionize your interaction with AI technology. Let's face it, accessing premium AI tools often comes with hefty subscription fees, leaving many users feeling left out. Just think about it. The world of artificial intelligence is brimming with possibilities, yet these doors of opportunity can seem locked tight when the keys are priced beyond reach. Students yearning to tinker with state-of-the-art technology, entrepreneurs eager to streamline their operations, and creative professionals looking to bring their ideas to life, all face the same stumbling block: the cost. It's like standing outside a candy store with empty pockets. The tantalizing array of advanced features and functionalities that ChatGPT Plus offers can feel frustratingly out of grasp. And let's not forget the added sting of watching others harness the power of this tool while you're stuck grappling with limitations. But fear not, because we've uncovered a game-changing solution. So what's the secret to unlocking ChatGPT Plus for free in 2024? Well, let's dive right in. The answer lies in OpenAI's commitment to accessibility and innovation. OpenAI believes in making advanced AI capabilities available to all, and that's exactly what they've done with ChatGPT Plus. ChatGPT Plus, as you may know, is a premium version of the popular ChatGPT. It offers advanced features and capabilities, making it a powerful tool for anyone interested in AI. But gaining access to these features doesn't necessarily mean you have to reach deep into your pockets. OpenAI has put in place a simple, user-friendly process that allows you to access ChatGPT Plus for free. Yes, you heard it right, for free, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you need to create an OpenAI account if you don't already have one. This is your gateway to all the tools and resources OpenAI has to offer. Second, you need to apply for access to ChatGPT Plus. This involves filling out a simple form detailing your intended use of the tool. OpenAI is particularly interested in supporting educational, research, and nonprofit endeavors. Finally, once your application is approved, you're in. You can start enjoying the full features of ChatGPT Plus without spending a dime. So, there you have it. That's the secret to unlocking ChatGPT Plus for free in 2024. Plus, think of the savings you'll enjoy by ditching those pricey subscriptions. Ready to join the ranks of savvy AI enthusiasts enjoying ChatGPT Plus for free? It's easier than you think. First, head over to OpenAI's official website. Second, locate and click on the ChatGPT Plus page. Third, follow the prompts to create your free account. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Remember, innovation should be accessible to all, not just a privileged few. So don't delay. Unlock the power of ChatGPT Plus today and take your digital endeavors to new heights. Thanks for tuning in to Inspire Ignite. Today, we've unveiled the secret to unlocking ChatGPT Plus for free in 2024. No longer do you need to grapple with hefty subscription fees or feel left out due to financial constraints. Instead, you can now leverage OpenAI's commitment to accessibility and innovation to harness the full potential of ChatGPT Plus. Imagine the possibilities that this powerful tool opens up for you without costing a penny. It's a game changer, a revolution in how we interact with AI technology. But remember, seizing this opportunity requires action. It's time to join the ranks of savvy AI enthusiasts who are already enjoying the benefits of ChatGPT Plus for free. Take the steps we've outlined today and unlock the power of ChatGPT Plus. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content from Inspire Ignite. Together, let's ignite the spark of creativity and knowledge. See you in the next video.